What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a super short update video on this Bedliner that I put in. I made a video about it about a year and a half ago almost, and I noticed I had some comments asking how it was holding up and stuff like that. So I'm just going to do a super short review, show y'all how it's held up, and yeah, that's about it. Let's get into it. Alright, well, here is the Bedliner after almost a year and a half. The sides look super good, and the bottom's just a little dirty, but it's stuck on there still, so I guess that's a good sign. So it's done pretty well over the past almost year and a half. I've had everything from golf clubs to tools and furniture and all that stuff back here, and it still is holding up good. And you can tell this is the plastic. It used to have that plastic liner in here, and this stuff just has way more grip. All your stuff doesn't go sliding around while you're driving, and it's just a lot better than that plastic one. So I would say definitely better than the plastic. Don't know if it's as good as like a factory Bedliner, but it was only like 80 bucks to paint on in there. So I'd say that's pretty good for just a little DIY Bedliner. Alright, well, in conclusion, I'd say the Herculiner Bedliner is about an 8 out of 10. It's still held up really good and everything, but kind of annoying to clean sometimes, and it has lost a little bit of its texture. So that's why I give it an 8 out of 10. But if you're looking for a cheap DIY Bedliner, this is the move. Like, this is so easy to do. So y'all make sure to leave a thumbs up on the video. Leave a comment below if you want me to review anything else. Make sure to sub to the channel. And yeah, thank you all for watching.